Let us discuss Leetcode question number 347, top k frequent element. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return k most frequent elements, and you may return answer in any order. So example is, if you're given an array of 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3 and k is equal to 2, we will return 1 and 2 as number 1 and number 2 are most frequent elements. Let us take a look at constraints. Input array is its size will be from length 1 to 10 raised to 5, and k is in range of 1 to number of unique elements in the array, which is good because we don't need to calculate whether k is really a valid k or not. It is guaranteed for us that k will be in the range. Follow-up question is, your algorithm's time complexity must be better than of n log n, where n is the array size. This is fine. This we can implement in the first code itself. So in order to find the top k frequent elements, first we have to find the frequency of the elements themselves. So we can find frequency of the elements something like this: map of integer frequency is equal to calculate frequency nums. This will give us the frequency. Let us write the method for that, which returns calculate frequency equal to new hash map and nums. For int val in nums, frequency dot put val frequency dot get default val 0 plus 1. What this one line will do is it will just put the value as a key and calculate the frequency as a value, and if it already exists it will get that value and add 1 to it, and if it doesn't already exist in the frequency map, then it will get the default value, which is 0, and add 1 to it, and we'll just return unmodifiable map of frequency. Now what you can do over here is, as we have to get the top k, so we just have to get the first k most frequent elements. For this we can just use the priority queue to new priority queue, and this the comparator will be n1 and n2, or frequency dot get n1 integer dot compare frequency dot get n1 frequency dot get. Just insert the first k numbers. We don't need to insert all of them, just the first k. So if your key is greater than k, we can just remove that element because we have created a mean heap. So we can do something like this: integer val in map dot key set q dot add val if q dot size is greater than k q dot pull. As it's a mean heap, we will just remove the smaller elements, the least frequent elements, and we need top frequent elements. Now we need result array, new result k, I is equal to 0, I is less than k, I plus plus, result of I is equal to q dot poll. Return result. Let's see whether this is working or not. Run the code. Map.keyset frequency. Okay, so this is working for our input. Let us try to submit and see what it gives us. Okay, so this worked. So time complexity will be n log k, where n is size of an array size, and log k is because we just have to make sure that we are adding just k elements in the heap, so n into log k. And space complexity will be O of n plus k, where n is size of array, and n plus k because we are adding k elements in the result over here. So that is it on question number 347, top k frequent elements. Thank you.